highs in the lower 80s. Monday night through Tuesday night, clear. Thunderstorm warning for Georgetown County in northeastern South Carolina, Horry County in northeastern South Carolina, south central Marion County in northeastern South Carolina, southeastern Williamsburg County in northeastern South Carolina, until 7:15 p.m. At 6:11 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near PD Crossroads to near Woodland to Jamestown, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Myrtle Beach, Conway, North Myrtle Beach, Georgetown, DeBoer View Colony, Surfside Beach, Pawleys Island, Myrtle Beach Airport, Little River, Yawkey South Island, Merle's Inlet, Little River Entrance, Winnipeg Bay Entrance, Socastee, Red Hill, Springmead Pier, Garden City, North Myrtle Beach Airport, Cherry Grove Inlet, in Horry. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please send your reports of hail and slash or wind damage, including trees or large limbs downed, by calling the National Weather Service office in Wilmington at 1-800-697-3901. And now taking a look at the forecast for Florence and the surrounding area. Issued at 6:04 p.m.